How to play Rust single player. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to create yourself a server. In order to do so, you can visit the website called rust.facepunch.com. That is the legit website. You will find a link icon to download your very own server. Now, once your server is successfully downloaded, you have to furthermore do some of the settings or configuration to play solo on your Rust. Now let's start with it. Navigate to your server file in your device. Right-click on it. Then you have to go to Run. Then select the option of Edit. Now the only edit that is necessary here is to find the plus server.seed1234567. In this, you have to change and enter the number that you prefer, but do not exceed above 10 figures. Once you have done that, go ahead and select File and save it, then close it. Again, double-click on Run DS on your file. After 10 minutes or so, if you receive the notification of Rust Plus companion server connectivity test failed, just know it worked, and it should be in the red color at the bottom, as you can see right here. If not, you can check on the Bradley APC spawned ad to check for any error. Next step is to close the program and opening up your Steam, then copy your Steam ID. Go back to your program and type in owner ID, then enter your Steam ID in it. Once you do this, do not close your program, then run it as a background while you are opening up your Steam and launching your Rust. By this way, by connecting your console, you'll be able to play solo on your Rust. Make sure to do not close the program and let it run in your background. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.